This is Delta Executor 32-bit, a quick install and compatibility fix guide. Download the 32-bit package from the official release page. Open the installer and accept permissions. Choose Custom Install. Pause. Install prerequisites. Visual C++ redistributable and .NET 3.5. Run the installer. Watch for the legacy compatibility option and enable it. After install completes, open a terminal as administrator. Apply the 32-bit compatibility patch. Replace executor.dll in the app folder. Run the commands shown on screen to set compatibility flags. If you see missing dependencies, install them with the package manager shown. Restart the application and check the 32-bit process in Task Manager. Run the integrated test suite. All checks should report 32-bit compatible. Done. Delta Executor now runs in 32-bit mode. Links and commands are on screen.